Hello my dear students, Mr. Bassam with you. After you have studied how to solve any linear system consists of two variables by using cramers rule, today we are going to solve this linear system by using cramers rule but in three variables, not in two variables. If you have any linear system consists of three variables like this, x plus 2y minus d equals negative 4, x plus 4y minus 2d equal negative 6, 2x plus 3y plus d equal 3. As you see, here are three equations in x in three variables x, y, and z. Cramer's rule depends on how to get the determinant of the variables. Then the first step, d equals the determinant with the coefficient of x vertically 1, 1, 2, the coefficient of y 2, 4, and 3, the coefficient of the negative 1, negative 2, and 1. Don't forget the rule plus, minus, plus. Here 1, open bracket, and cancel the first row and the first column, and the remainder will be 4, 1, negative 2, 3 cross multiplication, then 4 times 1 minus 3 times the negative 2. The second element here plus, minus, multiply, positive, negative will be negative 2, open bracket, and cancel the row and the column which 2 lies in here and here. 1 times 1 minus 2 times the negative 2. The third element, negative 1, cancel here the row and the column. 1 times 3 minus 2 times 4. Here 1, 4 plus 6, negative 2, 1 plus 4. Here negative 1, 3 minus 8. Here 10 times 1 will be 10. Here 5 multiplies negative 2, negative 10. Here negative 5 multiply negative 1 will be plus 5. Then the determinant of the variables equals 5. By the same way, my dear students, you can get the x by raising the coefficient of x in the first column and put these values, absolute values. When you get the y, also cancel the second column and put these values, negative 4, negative 6, and 3, absolute. When you get the cancel the third column and put these elements. Let's continue. dx equals here put negative 4, negative 4, negative 6, and 3, and leave the coefficient of y and the coefficient of z. 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, and negative 1, negative 2, and 1. Don't forget plus, minus, plus. Here negative 4 and cancel here and here. 4 times 1 minus 3 times the negative 2, negative 2. Here cancel negative 6 times 1, negative 6 times 1 minus 3 times negative 2, negative 1, cancel here and here, negative 6 times 3 minus 3 times 4. Here negative 4, 4 plus 6, here negative 2, negative 6 plus 6, here negative 1, negative 18 minus 12. Here negative 4 times 10, negative 40, negative 2, here 0 will be 0. Negative 30 multiplies negative 1 plus 30, the answer will be negative 10. After you get dx, you can get dy by the same way. Don't forget to cancel the coefficient of y and put negative 4, negative 6 and 3 and put 112, the coefficient of x, and negative 1, negative 1, negative 2 and 1, the coefficient of z. Don't forget plus, minus, plus. Here 1 open bracket, negative 6 times 1 minus 3 times negative 2 and negative 4 with the sign over negative, so it will change to positive 4. It will be cancelled here and here. 1 times 1, 1 times 1 minus 2 times negative 2, 2 times negative 2 and minus 1, the last step, minus 1 here, 1 times, cancel here and here, 1 and times 3 equal 3, minus 2 times negative 6 will be plus 12, and to get the value of dy will be equals, if you use the calculator easily, you will get dy equals 5. dv, the last step before you get the values of x, y and z. 1 1 2 2 4 3 negative 4 negative 6 and 3 plus minus plus 1 4 times 3 minus 3 times negative 6, negative 2. 1 times 3 minus 2 times negative 6, negative 4. 1 times 3 minus 2 times 4, dv equals 1, here 12 plus 18, negative 2, 3 plus 12, negative 4, 3 minus 8. The final answer to dv equals 20. After you get the determinant of the variables and the determinant of x, y and z, you can get easily x equals dx over d, y equals dy over d, z equals dz over d. dx equals negative 10 dx over d5, answer will be negative 2. dy 5 over 5 will be 1. dv 20 over 5 will be 4. These values of x, y and z. The last step, if you would like to make sure from your answer you are right or wrong, after you get these values of x, y and z, you can easily satisfy these values with the three equations was given in the linear system to make sure from your answer. The first equation, x plus 2y minus d equal negative 4, x equals negative 2 plus 2 times y, 2 times 1 equals 2, minus z equals here cancel, -4, then the first equation is right. Also, you can go on to satisfy the other two equations to make sure from your answer. Till here, my dear students, I think it's easy for you now to solve any linear system consisting of 3 variables. No difference between 2 variables or 3 variables, except only to get the determinant of 2 variables or 3 variables. But by the same way, use cramers to solve any linear system consisting of 2 or 3 variables. I hope you are understanding the lesson today, and inshallah we'll continue later.